Okay, so this learning objective 1.1 was duplicated, and this version of the learning objective was set for January 24th, and I tried to delete it, but I couldn't delete it because it said it was mapped to a question. So the correct date for this learning objective was not mapped to a question, so I deleted it. I deleted the previous one that was actually on January 23rd, which is correct. When I went to click this date to update the date from the 24th to the 23rd, it deleted all of these dates from all of these other learning objectives. Now, I didn't do this. It automatically did this. And you can see that it's not related to the same learning objective. It might be related to the same goal. Yeah, it's related to the same goal, but it's not related to the same learning objective. So it sounds like this is the bug that created all of these duplicates. I don't know why all of these duplicates are here, but when I tried to reintroduce the date, all of those things deleted. So I'm supposed to put this one for January 23rd because that should be the correct date. Now let's see what happens. Now look, it puts January 23rd for all of these dates. That's the bug here, because that should not be happening for some of these. So let me see, the 24th. The 24th starts there. So it is adding the date for the goal, I think, and then it puts the date all the way down to the goal. So let's see when the goal change. Okay, so the goal changes, and that's the wrong date. This is the correct date. This is not the correct date. So I'm going to try to delete this. Okay, that was successfully deleted. I don't know why this is here. This makes no sense. I don't know why this is here, because that goal should not look like that. So it looks, something happened here. It looks like it truncated the goal here. So I should be able to delete this. Okay, so I was able to delete that. So the 24th, FO2.2 is the correct FO2.2. Wait a minute. FO2.2. Anyway, this is a problem when we're changing all of these here. So FO2.1. Okay, so here's the problem. There are two of these learning objectives exactly the same. I'm trying to get rid of this one, and it says LO is already assigned to a question. So I'm going to try and delete this one. And it's on the right date, so let's see what happens. Okay, so that one goes away, and now I have the correct one. So this one, FO2 1.1, FO2 1.3, So this is the correct date. So I will try to delete that one. There. 1.4, so I will delete that. 1.5, I will delete that. Okay, so I just looked at this and this is not correct. So if I'm looking at this correctly, 1.5 should be on the 24th, 1.6 should be on the 24th. So 1.4 should be on the 23rd. So I'm going to go in and try to fix this so that 1.5 is on the 24th, but watch what happens when I change the dates. So I'm going to go to 1.5 and I'm going to click changing the dates, and all of the dates are gone. So they just disappear. So that needs to be fixed. And I think that's probably the source of the bug.